Dragon pose or Anjaneyasana is a Yin Yoga pose that opens the hips and groin and stretches the hip flexors and thighs. This pose can also be found in dynamic yoga classes under the name lizard pose. This exercise is a great preparation for deeper hip openers like the pigeon pose. The exercise is very challenging for many, and one wishes to get out of it quickly. How to do dragon pose. Come into a tabletop position, swing your right leg forward between your hands and put your foot down. The left knee is on the floor. Place your left foot extended and move it back until you feel a comfortable stretch. Your hands are either to the right and the left of the front foot or on the inside of the foot. If both hands are on the inside of your foot, you can also come up on the forearms. Let's practice the dragon pose together for 1 minute.